All right, this is the van. I just finished. So I got a table here I was using. Got a flashlight here so you can see the truck a little bit in the dark. Um, I got everything organized again. See, it was a mess. It was getting to be a mess. And I didn't have the circular saw. I mean the table saw in here for a while. I took it out and I took the chop saw out and the table. I just put everything back in. That that container right there usually goes up front for trash, but I gotta clean up front first. uh, yeah, sorry. All right, table, and then I got two um, crates right there. This is a bag I put all my power tools. Well, not all, but a lot of the